Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abimanyu Mauliadi and my metric number is 199742. So here my video presentation of final coursework EMG 3401 Society, Ethnic and the Environment by Dr. Aisyah Abu Bakar. So I choose The Sexy Killer documentary film for this assignment, directed by Dandi Dwi Laksono and Ucok Suparta. This movie is about the coal mining industry in Indonesia, and it has a relation with the Indonesia political establishment. The film is a final piece to Laksono 12-part documentary series with Blue Indonesian Expedition, which aim to assess the economic development and its environmental impact in Indonesia. The film reveals the dark story behind the victim of construction of the steam power plant in Indonesia, which has been so far from being reported. This film also tells us a coherent story about the journey of making a steam power plant to the impact it has on the community around the mining. On the other hand, the film tells us about reveals the other side of the people who play a role in decorating the process of the steam power plant activity journey. The film also shows the involvement of government officials in the coal mining and oil palm plantation sector. They are actively involved as a director, commissaries, shareholder, and the other of important position. The involvement this official is indirectly the reason why the government does not seem to show a strong commitment to solving the various problems that occur. Here are the short clip for the movie that show the people's opinion towards the government decision.
Dulu sebelum ada bangunan batu bara, sawah ndak rusak, ndak amburadul. Sekarang ada bangunan batu bara, rakyat kecil malah sengsara. Yang enak rakyat yang besar, ungkang-ungkang kaki terima uang. Kalau kita terima apa? Terima imbasnya lumpur.
From this movie, I learned about so many things related about this subject. First one is environmental ethnic, second one is environmental challenges, and the last one is government and the environment. These three things are solely related in this movie. Nature fundamentally is very complex problem that require complex solutions. From the movie, the main actor that involved in the nature exploitation, which is the government and the corporation that have a great authority. Indeed, they are both actors involved in the nature exploitation to some extent responsible for the damage and the victims. But we need to see beyond. Look for the root of the problem so the future damage and victim can be avoided. Forcing is not a solution. We need to take action, and closest action we can do this, can change ourselves first. Here are the things we can do to save the environment from the exploitation that we have seen in the movie. The first point is start saving the electricity. The purpose of the coal mining company is to be able to generate electricity for the urban community. However, you don't know how big the side effects are for the people who live close to the coal company. Starting for the air pollution, land shifting, land rights being taken for granted, and another else. Second one is start loving our nature. Every time a coal mining company is established, it will surely sacrifice an area for the land to be excavated to get the coal product. And imagine how many points of land were excavated in each area, which over the time the land collapsed and harmed the people around it, not to mention the anchor ship that carry coal products that damage the marine life below. So for the third point is gradually starting to use solar power plants. In that movie, show us about the some people in Bali have started to build a solar power plants. Although the cost is much more expensive than coal, but it's not harm the other people around us, and it's also environmental friendly. I really touched it after this movie, and I intend to use the solar power plants to produce our electricity. Because if you start, other people will follow. This media shows the real clip and video that was taken from their production team that traveled through 20 provinces in Indonesia since 2015 to investigate the environmental issue. This media became viral in Indonesia and caught the people's attention, especially the environmental activists in Indonesia, which also made me myself as an environmental student curious about the movie. The impact of this media might not produce any immediate change to policy, but the fact that a film dealing with such a controversial subject was received so well in Indonesia suggests there is a large and respective audience eager to learn more about the connection between the fossil fuel industry and the government, and what this might mean for the future. It also raises awareness to the Indonesian people to make them more care about the environment. This movie showed the interesting clips that show the real situation of the area, including the interview video of the people that live in the impacted area, which can feel the impact directly and know about the situation of the area. This movie also can be enjoyed as the educational purposes for the environmental student to know of the impact of the coal mining to the environment. So we move to the eco activity. So what is the eco activity about? Eco activities are those experiences that go hand in hand with the ethical and the eco-friendly lifestyle that are best decisions that benefit the environment and its people as we as ourselves. Here are some steps to get you started to do this activity. Do an energy audit of your home. This will show how you use your energy and help identify ways to be more efficient. Change your light bulbs to light emitting diodes or LEDs, which can save more energy. Use less air conditioning. Instead, option for fans which require less electricity.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes me. Yeah, I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah, these days I don't.
Switch light off when you leave the room and unplug your electronic devices when they are not in use. Sign up to get your electricity from clean energy through your local utility or a certified renewable energy provider.
From my hoods, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby.
So, how does the eco activity reduce your ecological footprint? By saving the electricity, we can play our role to help the environment from the nature exploitation. As we improve the energy efficiency at our home, we will need less electricity, which leads us to rely less on the carbon-intensive power generation. This also can reduce our personal carbon footprint with energy efficiency measure. So for the last, why do I choose this eco activity and why should everyone join me? Because saving the electricity uses also can reduce the coal mining that we have now. The bad impact that given by the coal mining as the movie before. Other than that, it is a very thing that everyone can basically implement it just by being at home during this MCO or this pandemic. Also, by implementing energy efficiency practices, we give many good impact and make a big contribution for our environment in a simple way. So that's all for me. Thank you.